Tired of dealing with laundry at home? Wish you could escape laundry day altogether? Well, we've got you covered. Introducing LaundryOnApp, your new best friend. We offer free pickup and delivery, or you can drop off and pick up your clothes yourself. It's totally up to you. Using the app is super easy. Just download it and log in. You can choose between pickup and delivery, or drop off and pick up. Then, select your preferred service. Wash and dry, and fold. Or the full works with wash, dry, iron, and fold. We make it simple to estimate the weight of your laundry. Just use our app or your luggage scale. You can even use a laundry basket or garbage bag as a guide. One usually holds about 10 to 13 pounds. Need your clothes back fast? We offer same-day service, but for our regular service, you'll need to give us at least 24 hours. Once you've picked your options, simply add your address and payment details, and you're good to go. We'll take care of everything while you focus on more important things. And don't forget to rate and review our service after you're happy with your clean clothes. We know laundry is a never-ending chore, so we've made it easy to repeat your order with just a few clicks. Download the LaundryOn app now and say goodbye to laundry stress.